like if I used to have pimples on this side, I would just talk from this side. Like it was that hectic because it was just really affecting my confidence. I didn't want to speak to people. I would just stay home. What's up guys, it's Robyn. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about my acne story. I feel like I've been through the most with my skin. It's been years and years of me trying to treat my skin naturally and trying a whole bunch of supplements and changing my diet, and yeah, I've done a lot. So I feel like I am so schooled on how to treat acne. So before we get into this video, I actually want to tell you guys that I've really been enjoying uploading videos, and I'm thinking of publishing one every Sunday. So please subscribe to my channel if you do like this. I'm trying to grow the YouTube community. I'm not gonna say perfect, but my skin was always really good. Like right through high school to varsity, I had amazing skin. I didn't even have any marks on my face. Like my skin was really good. And then I went on the pill, a contraceptive, and I didn't have to worry about even getting a period pimple, anything like that. My skin was fine until I went off the pill. My skin just went haywire. Like it just exploded. Like I would have pimples on my forehead and just really painful pimples around my cheek area, and like no matter how much makeup I used to apply, like it just looked so bumpy and gross. I actually started getting acne in 2013. Really, like I'd already left varsity and I was working at a magazine at the time, and I was trying a whole bunch of different foundations, and I thought maybe it's because of that. A lot of people would say I could just quickly go to a dermatologist and then get some medication to treat my acne, and I actually did that. Like I went to the dermatologist, a celebrity dermatologist in Cape Town, and she gave me some medication. It's actually a contraceptive medication. Within 2 months my acne was gone. Like it disappeared, my skin was clear. It was just working, and life was just going on. And I asked her, okay, cool, so when am I going to be able to stop taking this medication? And she was like, no, you're not. If you don't want your acne to come back, then you need to continue using it. And I was like, but no, I'm supposed to be treating this concern, like treatment as in done. When I don't have the acne, I don't want to be worrying about it, not like taking this medication forever. And it was also really strong for my body. Like I was feeling short of breath, I was feeling dizzy, I was also feeling like super depro. It's that type of contraceptive that was so strong that it was actually just changing my mood. I was just like, no, I'd rather have the acne than be sick internally and to like not be feeling well and to not be feeling myself. And because that was actually like affecting my productivity, I was feeling like I don't actually want to go out with my friends. And then I actually mailed the dermatologist and I told her, look here, this is what's happening. Like I'm not feeling myself, my body's feeling weird, please let me know like what I must do. And she was like, please stop taking it immediately because you can get a blood clot. And I was like, but bruh, you gave this to me. I don't understand, like why did you give this to me if it would be hurting my body? And she let me know that, you know, it was treating my skin. So she's a dermatologist and her job is to treat the skin. So once the skin is treated, she has done a job, never mind what else is going on in the body. So I was just like, no, I'm rather going to do this naturally. If my acne comes back, then I'm just gonna have to work with it, live with it, stop being vain. Basically, acne is basically a warning from your body saying that something's going wrong inside, like something's seriously wrong. One day I was chatting to my friend Corbin about his skin because he used to have like really bad acne. Hey Corb, if you're watching, sorry but I'm using you as an example. But anyway, he used to have like really bad acne. He went to see a homeopath and he suggested that I go see her. Like I'm not really I don't know if this is gonna work, but I might as well try it because I have no other options. I have already done everything, so I might as well try this. And I went to Lemise, and she is just amazing. Like, Lemise is everything. If you have a chance, if you're in Cape Town and you have any concerns, just go to Lemise. DM me and I will give you her contact number. Yeah, she's just the best. I actually have digestive issues and everything's been going on in the gut. So my body's not able to digest food fast enough. She suggests that I start taking digestive enzymes, which I've been doing, and that I cut out meat and I cut out dairy. I can have cheese because it's lactose bacilli, it's like a bacteria form. I can have yogurt, but no milk, because milk is like a steroid. Like, your body, human beings are not supposed to be drinking milk. So anyway, I changed my diet, and guys, like, I can't tell you how much of a difference it's made. Like, it's really helped my skin flourish. I actually have a blog post about how I treated my acne naturally and the stuff that I've been using, so I'm just quickly gonna list that for you guys and then go into it. I never understood why toner was so important, but what it actually does is that balances your pH levels in your body, and once you've cleansed, your skin is stripped of all the natural oils. Your skin is stripped of the dirt, but it's also stripped of all the natural oils. So what your body needs is for the pH levels to be balanced so that your skin doesn't get too oily or too dry. So definitely, guys, if I can tell you one thing, do get a toner. Make sure that you invest in sunscreen. Brown people need sunscreen too. I went to a launch of a natural skincare range last year called Young Skin, and the products was created by a naturopath, but he's also an acupuncturist, and I was really impressed with the range, but most importantly with the sunscreen, because it's got a super light texture and it hydrates your skin, and it doesn't give that white residue that sunscreens normally do, especially for me being a woman of color. Like, I can't have anything making me look ashy. So I was really like, I've been using that religiously. And it also doesn't give you that sweaty feeling, you know, like when you put sunscreen on and you go to the beach, and before you even get into the water you're wet because you've been sweating so much. The sunscreen doesn't do that. Another one that you can also try is Avene. I really like their SPF 50 for the body. Make sure that you get a sunscreen that's at least like 30 to 50, so that you get like a maximum coverage. You need to get sunscreen to reduce the acne scarring, because otherwise it's never going to disappear. Exfoliating is so important, guys. Like, I use a face brush. Like, I literally don't leave home without my face brush. Recently I got a Clarisonic, which is so next level. I've been using the Clarisonic Smart Profile, and at times how long I must be focused on my forehead, how long to focus on my cheeks and my chin area. It's really cool. And even the charger, like, even the charger is so awesome. It's magnetic, so I literally just really love face brushes. And this is also a way to like clean your skin properly. Make sure that your skin is being clean, that you're removing dirt, but that you're also removing dead skin cells, so that when you hydrate, when you're using a proper moisturizer, that it actually gets into your pores. If you're going to be using a face brush, use like the most gentle one that you can find, or use a brush that's like really gentle on your face, because you don't want to break your skin. So another thing that I've been doing is masking once a week. Remember that acne is a warning from your body saying that something is going wrong inside, like something is seriously going wrong inside, and you need to treat it internally. Like, you can't be wanting to apply makeup and trying all the face creams and all the toners and all these kind of things, and internally your body's like messed up. So make sure that you go see a doctor, go see a dermatologist, go see a homeopath if you want to do things the natural way like I did. Recently I also discovered peels. You can do a green peel, you can do a chemical peel. I've been going to Skin Renewal just to reduce my acne scarring. It's really been working wonders. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you did like this video. Let me know your thoughts if you have also been going through like an acne journey.